With your right hand, find C, F, and C. And now play them like this. Now you can learn the left hand. F, C, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, C, F, C, G, C,